started at now. I woke up at 8:30 because I was up till 2 a.m. So let's get to Thompson. We're 25 minutes away. Fuck my life.
Shout out to Will. He got me new fuses for my power steering system. We're gonna test it. And it said it wasn't blown on the continuity test, but we're just gonna throw a 100 amp fuse in here this time, just because I had an 80 before and the 80 blew once I put the fans in. All right, I'm in grid, no power steering, and I'm not really feeling so stoked. Kind of feeling a little anxious. We'll just know. We'll know. We'll see what happens. Hopefully this car doesn't give me any more problems, but it's not even like the car, it's just third-party parts I put on the car and stuff like that. And hopefully I can just have fun and enjoy this event. I've seen people drive with no power steering. It's not impossible. It's just what I'm used to, so there's no time to make excuses. Just probably should enter a little shallow and commit more, and again, have fun. So we did wire up this little button to a high-speed fan. On the highway it was working quite well. Temps were getting down to like 182, 185 on the highway. So yeah, let's see what happens. No power steering sucks. This sucks so much.
And I want to spin it for down. Fit fast, shopping swing, Dennis the child.
I think I'm figuring it out with no power steering, but this sucks. Lots of wheel speed. Lots of wheel speed. It's not easy. We are having a rough time.
power steering sucks. That was too quick.
That's not good, man.
That was a better lap. Yo, your name's Johnny, right?
Yeah.
Johnny, that's the YouTube channel. This is Johnny. Seems like a cool guy. Maybe I'll get his Instagram. We'll go get pizza. We'll go, I don't know, strip club, whatever you do for fun. But yeah, if you saw that last lap, I was linking it, and my car literally like no power steering. I'm like fighting it. I literally lost power steering.
That was funny as fuck.
And it just corrected to the exit. I said, I guess I'm done. So the lack of power steering honestly is setting some discipline for my driving, where I throw the car as far as like the wheel wants to be and focusing more on throttle. It sucks, as you can see, but it's doable. And honestly, I think it might be a blessing in disguise that my power steering pump went out, because it's teaching me more about where I want to place the car, how I can place the car, and it's very doable. I didn't even loop the lines. I'm gonna be replacing the pump, but I probably should replace the rack. It's never been replaced and you can still get them from Rock Auto, so I might as well do that next up. I haven't touched tire pressure, even looked at it. I think it's like 35 or 38 front to rear. And this is 460 treadwear, Westlake SA07s, cut knuckles, villains, ball joint extensions, and welded diff with PBM rear adjustments and stuff, and DTSS delete. Car rips, doesn't make that much power. Pretty happy with it. I really thought this event was gonna be a flop, but I think we'll leave home. I think a lot of the guys that are running the event are pretty impressed with my driving and want me to run. If you saw in the last clip, they just wanted me to run, so yeah, let's get some more laps.
Seems like you losing power steering is a little bit beneficial.
It is. Low-key, it is.
that shit.
Hell yeah.
Bro, you killed that shit so far. Bro, you fucking destroyed that. Oh my fucking god, bro. Good job. Cool me right the fuck down too. Holy shit.
Go. This is
Turbo Pete.
I think that is my last lap of the day. Sweating hell. I look like the guy where he's like, look at me, I'm the captain now. I look like that right now. I'm beat. Yeah. Shit. Time to pack, go home, because I want to go home. All right, it's 3:10. Making the drive home right now. So as you can see, it's starting to drizzle a little bit. The sky's a little dark, but safe journeys for me. It's not like I didn't just beat the crap out of it today. That's insane. Still looks pretty. You can have a drift car that doesn't look like crap, guys. It's not a drift car. Well, maybe this is the last clip. If so, peace.